Alright, guys, we're back. I just came home from my school. We're gonna open the 3 Legends packs that I've been highly anticipated for me throughout this day because I want to do it in the morning, but I usually can't, so I have to wait, around 8 hours or so to get home, get ready, and, record. Early today, I did get my friend 100k coins, and I don't know how, but he pulled a Michael Vick out of his legendary pack, so that got me a little bit turned up for this. So I wonder what's gonna go down. My Madden mobile takes a while to load, guys, and also it takes a while to load the lineup, stuff like that, just because my bench is full of players. Don't like that. I want to get rid of my bench. It just takes too long. 8,000 players or so. Takes way too long. Hopefully this loads up quicker. Alright, there you go. Alright. So we get 3 legend packs, we get 5 gold players, and 1 legend item. As usual, as you guys already know. Get to the first one. Get 75. 75. Jack hand collectible, so no legend rookie there. Hopefully that changes for us. Really hope it changes. Get Doug Baldwin, Joan Green collectible. Man, that thing passed very dry for me. I wouldn't be happy with Michael Vick, even though Michael Vick doesn't go for anything anymore. So we get 87 final edition Jonathan Banks. We get Mike Webster. So yeah, the packs were really dry today. Not one single good item. I'm just gonna hit with 3 more packs, see if we can pull 1 or 2 more. Nothing. Alright, last pack, guys, for the video. Wow, that's even worse. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Peace.